Hello guys, welcome to Sky Movies and Updates. We give you the best of teleseries, telenovelas and movie stars. Coming up on Brothers, episodes 382 to 384. President Hidalgo finally regains consciousness and comes to know of his family's tragic fate. He accuses the Vendetta and vows to make them pay for what they've done. VP Lucas Cabrera gladly occupies the palace as the final stage of his sinister plan falls into place. Listen to Lucas.
In just a few hours, I'll become the president, and I'm never leaving the palace. Ever again.
President Hidalgo is shattered by the gruesome announcement of his wife's death. As expected, he accuses the Vendetta. The bereaved president has some very unfriendly words to say.
Bunch of bastards! You killed my innocent family! I will make sure that you will all rot in prison! You murderers!
Oscar plots to escape to reach out to Lucas for help, only to be shocked by Lucas's announcement on TV. The president is dead. Oscar is shocked.
Lucas, what are you doing? I'm alive! I'm still alive!
With the president supposedly dead, Lucas shall replace him. Lucas secures his takeover as president of the Philippines by taking his oath. He wastes no time to appoint Hipólito as the secretary of the Environmental Agency and General Terante as the new chief of the PNP. Lucas takes his diabolism to the next level by making a public display of the supposed remains of Oscar.
Now the whole country will see the disgrace that Talisa and Vendetta has done to President Oscar Hidalgo.
Patrick deals with his buddies and gets into trouble with the cops. The encounter ends terribly. Oscar desperately tries to get away from Vendetta's custody.
I really need to get out of here, even if I die trying.
Cardo and his comrades chase after him and trap him. And I begin to wonder why guns had to be involved. Since Oscar can swim all the way, he's captured by the Vendetta. And again, President Hidalgo berates the vigilantes.
You rebels have killed so many innocent people and terrorized defenseless citizens! You deserve nothing but death!
But this time, our favorite hero has something to say about that.
Mr. President, what you think of us is false. Yes, it's true that we've killed people. But those people have done nothing but abuse and hurt our fellow countrymen.
Thanks to George's carelessness, Oscar escapes, and Cardo allows him to go on his own since he's so stubborn. The Vendetta worry about the safety of the president, and as Cardo prays for him and the country, Oscar slips into the venue for his family's wakekeeping. As fate will have it, he happens to overhear a shocking conversation between Terante, Hipólito, and Lucas.
But what'll happen if Oscar Hidalgo himself decides to come? Terante, handle it. Kill him. Right away. I won't let him take my rock position. The entire nation's now under my control. Oscar must never return. You're a monster, Lucas. You traitor.
Lucas is shocked to see Oscar. Lucas deploys his henchmen to finish the job. While the president struggles to escape, Cardo and the Vendetta finally come to his rescue. Now he's finally come to his senses. Ultimately, the Vendetta return home with President Hidalgo in good spirits. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Kindly stay tuned to this channel for more updates. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you.